Welcome my sunshines. Today's video is a step-by-step recipe for rice with gandules, my family's favorite rice dish. Please continue to watch. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to add oil to the pot, about like that. That's several tablespoons of oil. Okay, so now we're sauteing the homemade sofrito and the minced garlic. This is my granddaughter. This is her all-time favorite. Taja, and my girls and my son and my husband. Rice. You always have to have rice. And all the other grandkids too. The rest of the kids. This is their favorite. We always have to have rice in the house. Okay, so I'm sauteing that on a very low heat because we don't want this to stick or burn. Okay, to this mixture, I added a package of Sazon and the capers and the olives. And again, I'm going to saute this, not too long, just for a minute or two. We're going to saute this on a low flame. Okay, while I just added a half of can of tomato sauce, and I added the a can of the green pigeon peas, gandules, and then I cut up some fresh cilantro. And while this is sauteing and simmering for a while, very low. Again, you don't want to burn anything. I have water on to boil to get some water. I'm going to add chicken bouillon to the water and add it to when I add the rice in, and we're going to add that. So I have the water on boiling now while this is sauteing and simmering. Okay, I'm now going to add the 5 cups of rice to this mixture and just stir that, get it all incorporated, and incorporate all of that. Get the rice all covered with all the seasonings. And then we're going to add the chicken broth. I'm going to make chicken broth. And add that. And to add the chicken broth, it's just some boiling water, and then I add the chicken bouillon to it. Okay, I added the boiling water, and I added chicken bouillon to the boiling water, and then I added to the rice. And it was a little, maybe about 2 cups, but this is how I measure it. I believe it's like a little over maybe 2 cups of water, chicken bouillon. But see how it is like above the rice? You don't want it swimming, but about like this. This is very important that you get the right amount of water in here. So it's about 2 cups, but see how this is? You measure it by your spoon. It's like an inch above the rice is down there and the water's above. Maybe about an inch. Okay, now the important thing is that you add your seasonings. You add all your seasonings to this, your salt, your complete, whatever seasoning that you like, adobo, what seasons that you like. You add that now, and then you let this dry. It'll take about maybe 12 minutes. So you set your, I set my my watch to 12 minutes, and then I check it. My Fitbit watch, I set it for 12 minutes. Okay, the 12 minutes are up, and it dried out just perfect. So what we do is we go down the bottom and bring the bottom up to the top. You can't cook this too fast, and you can't cook it too slow. So you just got to find that right medium with this. Like that. And then we are going to put some foil on this. This is dry. We're going to put some foil over it, over the rice. This way it'll keep that moisture in. It'll be done so you won't have any hard pieces. Okay. And then put the top right over that. So. And then we're going to set Fitbit watch. Well, I'm going to set my Fitbit watch for about 12 minutes. Okay, the 12 minutes are up. I'm going to remove the top and the foil. And then we're going to do the same. Go to the bottom and bring it up. This is just about done. This is just about done. And then do the taste. Let's see, but I'm going to give it another 7 minutes. Put the foil back on, put the top back on. It is now done and ready to plate. Okay, the rice with pigeon peas, rice with gandules is now ready, and it's great with anything, with fried chicken, with steak. Have a nice avocado salad along with it. It's really good. Plantains, sweet plantains, excellent. And I hope you enjoy. Thank you. Enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and comment below. See you on my next video. Peace and love to everyone, and have a blessed day. Thank you.